Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna try to make this tractor, the 8940, steer of my foot. I'll show you how I'm gonna do that after the intro. So you can see I'm in my shop. It's raining, so I'm not in the field. I'm not in the ideal conditions, but we're going to pretend there's a straight line on this monitor here, and we're going to pretend that the wheel's engaged. I know the lighting ain't good, so we're driving. I get to the end of the row. I turn the steering wheel manually. I go over here. I'm raising my implement, this hand, steering with this hand, and somehow I need a third hand to lock the steering wheel in. That's how I've been doing it. So I've ordered a foot switch from Ag to Go, and I'm gonna get that installed, and in the process of that, I'm gonna clean this mess up, take the seat out to have it recovered, and hopefully get to test this thing out in the driveway. So I'll bring you back around here in a bit. So what I've done is I plugged the foot controller, which is here, into the terrain compensation controller there. So before I run any wires underneath the floorboard, I'm gonna get out here and make sure everything's working. I've not got any implements hooked up, so I'm just going to use it with my hand. So let's see if it's hooked up right. So I'm out here in the pasture. All I'm doing is going to set a A-B line, and got this thing in my hand. I'm going to see if it'll engage, and if it does, we're going to go back and install the foot switch in a proper place. So we've got our A line, or A point set, or B point. There we go. We're engaged. When that little steering wheel turns green, that engaged it. So that's what I wanted it to do. And I just disengaged it with my hand. So let's get set up for set it up for the foot. So I'm going to take this floorboard up and run the wire underneath it and have the pedal right about here. So I got a couple of screws to take out. I'll be with you here in just a few seconds. So I've got the floorboard pulled back, and I'm going to run the wire right through here, and we'll catch you then. So I've got the foot pedal down there. Got my wires tucked back for right now. Alright, so I'm in my driveway, and I'm going to, after I've reinstalled everything, make sure this is going to work properly. So I'm setting an A point. I'm going to set another AB line and make sure this foot switch is working. Got a B line, and we are online. So it is working again. So we'll catch you here in a bit. So in this video, I partnered with Ag2Go. I bought this EZ Steer unit off of them last fall. There's some videos on that on my channel. So we've got it working. So Ag2Go, I'm going to leave a link to their website in the description. And how I first found them was just a online Google search for an EZ Steer, and they was the cheapest. I've had some issues, user issues. They're good to take time out to talk to me, and the technical support is really great. So I'm apologize for the dirty tractor, but I'm gonna be working on it off and on next couple of weeks. I'm gonna be cleaning up the inside, getting the seat reupholstered, cleaning it up outside, waxing it, and getting it ready to hook to the planter. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're looking for some guidance system, check out Ag2Go. If you haven't already, subscribe. If this Trimble search on YouTube brought me to your channel, brought you to my channel, I make farming videos, and I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe and watch and leave some comments. So basically that's it, and we'll catch you on the next one. Talk to you later. Well, this showed up this afternoon to the shop. I'm not going to get into detail, but we're going to set a video on it, maybe more than one. I'll give you a hint. It's not mine, but stay tuned.